All right, here with the assistant coach at the Mona High School Manning Cup team, Mr. Winston Taylor. What do you feel about the game today?
Well, I actually love the game. Even though it was a losing effort, I think I measured up the opposition and I'm happy with what I saw. I think we have the beating of Kingston College. We'll meet again. And it don't want to be a case where they won the wrong one.
All right, coach, what were you guys trying to do today tactically?
Tactically, we were trying to transition quickly. We were trying to own them and press them up the pitch and see if we can win the ball closer to their 18 yards and transition and score quickly.
All right, Mona went into halftime 2-0 down. What did you guys say to the boys at halftime for them to come out and equalize? You know, the game was at 2-2 at some point today.
Well, based on the first 45, the chances were being created, but we were just not finishing. But second half, I think the guys, the first 15, they really responded. They really put on their shooting boots and get the equalizer. But after the equalizer, the pressure was not sustained. I think we backed off a bit, and Casey actually caught us on the counter a few times.
All right, speak to me about some positional change that I saw today. I saw one of your defenders, the number 16. He was playing as a forward today. What went into that decision?
Well, if you were analysing the game, he started the game at centre half. He was doing a man marking responsibility and whisper, but he was the one that actually gave away the 2 penalties. So we actually analysed the situation and realised that we don't have anything to lose, so we just throw the kitchen sink at it and send him at the centre forward position, and he actually responded well. He was actually hustling and we played a lot of second ball off him, so it was a good tactical move, and I think we should have started the game that way actually, as opposed to be man marking him and then leaving space behind, because I think that it was where we actually gave up the initial 2 goals.
All right, you guys said that you want to see Casey again. That would have to be in the finals. What would you change to play Kingston College if you guys meet Kingston College in the finals?
Well, we wouldn't change nothing really. Same approach, but I think we can press them a bit. Even though the field is a little bit big, if we can catch them on a touchline, they will cough it up. Because that playing out from the back that I saw, they are very susceptible if they are pressed.
All right, and how do you get the boys up after a performance like this? Final one, coach.
Well, if you look at the Mona players coming off the field, they were very optimistic, they were positive about the game, and I don't see this effort as a losing effort. The result was not in our favour, but I'm happy with what I saw, believe me.
All right, coach, thank you for talking to us.
Man, we're gonna get